Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Charge the Zero watch to at least 50% and turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Open the Zero Companion app and sign in or create an account. This links device data to the cloud. Once done, put the watch into pairing mode via the quick settings swipe and allow the app to scan. Make sure location and notifications permissions are granted so syncing works reliably. This avoids common connection failures when the phone restricts background access. You now configure the watch for accurate tracking. Open the device settings in app and calibrate step and heart rate sensors by following the guided 30-second routines. Select your dominant wrist, preferred units, and adjust wrist detection sensitivity so readings match your movement. Then enable auto-sync and notification categories you want mirrored from the phone. Once done, customize Do Not Disturb schedules and exercise shortcuts to reduce interruptions during workouts and improve power management. You finish by updating the watch firmware and running a short 5-minute walk or exercise to validate step, heart rate, and GPS logging. After confirming data appears in the app, set backup sync frequency and enable export settings for third-party health services if needed. If something goes wrong, reboot both phone and watch, then repair via the app. This clears most Bluetooth or cache glitches. If issues persist, reset network settings on the phone and retry pairing to restore reliable sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.